glad, for God is doing something new, so we forgive our past. In the wilderness He makes a way. Streets in the wasteland where hope once lay. The desert of our past, so devoid of life, transformed by His love, healing through strife. Breaking the trauma bond takes surrender and trust in God's healing process. We must adjust, seeking help from professionals, friends and guides. They are vessels of love through which God provides. Bring your pain and trauma, pour it out to the Lord. Release its hold so you are restored. He breaks the chains that keep you confined, leading you to restoration of heart and mind. In the wilderness He makes a way. Streams in the wasteland where hope once lay. The desert of our past, so devoid of life, transformed by His love, healing through strife. Bring your pain and strong by the traumas you've known, but by God's love your true identity shown. Reflect on the bonds that hold you tight, right the steps to break them, to surrender the fight. Seeking healing today and restoration so sweet. Trust in His process, believe in His power as He transforms your wilderness into a beautiful flower. In the wilderness He makes a way. Streets in the wasteland where hope once lay. The desert of our past, so devoid of life, transformed by His love, healing through strife. Go forth restored and redeemed by His grace, relaxed and released with a smile on your face. For the blood of Jesus has set you free. Break the trauma bond and the bright future you'll see. Forget the former things, do not dwell on the past. See, I'm doing a new thing. Now it springs up, do you not perceive it? I am making a way in the wilderness and streams in the wasteland. In the wilderness He makes a way. Streams in the wasteland where hope once lay. The desert of our past, so devoid of life, transformed by His love, healing through strife. You're full restored and redeemed by His grace, relaxed and released with a smile on your face. The blood of Jesus and streams in the wasteland. In the wilderness He makes a way. Streets in the wasteland where hope once lay. The desert of our past, so devoid of life, transformed by His love, healing through strife. Forget the former things, do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up, do you not perceive it? I am making a way in the wilderness, streams in the wasteland. In the wilderness He makes a way. Streams in the wasteland where hope once lay. The desert of our past, so devoid of life, transformed by His love, healing through strife.